resale flat? Watch this video to know the 6 things no one tells you about buying a resale flat. So if you're ready to make the most of your investment, be sure to stick around until the very end. Hi, I'm Yoshu. Before we get into the video, do consider subscribing to our channel for more such videos and hit the bell icon for future updates. Now without any further ado, let's get started. The first is the cost of repairs and renovations. There are a lot of resale properties that might need extensive repairs depending upon the age and condition of the property. Since a resale property has already been lived in, it may have signs of wear and tear which may require additional maintenance and repair costs. Let's say, for example, you buy a resale house and then realize that the plumbing system is outdated or the electrical wiring is not up to code. You may also have to deal with issues like leaky roofs, damp walls. Therefore, you should get it checked before buying. The design and features of a resale property may also be outdated and may not meet the modern needs and requirements of you as a buyer. Additionally, a resale property may not come with great amenities compared to a new flat which comes with swimming pool, spa, library, sports activities and much more. Next, the legal paperwork involved in buying a resale property can be complex and time consuming. First, you will need to verify the ownership of the property. Check for any legal disputes and make sure that all the necessary documentation is in order. This can be a daunting task, and if you're not familiar with the legal system, you may end up making mistakes that could cost you a lot of money in the long run. You may also not get loaned for few resale properties, like for instance in Bangalore, if there is a B Khata property, it won't be eligible for loan as it is not fully legal, or you could also end up buying a property that has multiple owners or the ownership records may be unclear. This can lead to legal disputes in the future and also risk of losing your property. So it is very important to get a lawyer to check the paperwork. This may seem challenging, but you can get all the legal assistance you need on NoBroker.com. The third factor that you need to consider is that in case of a new flat, developers roll out special discounts and offers or cover the stamp duty and registration charges with other perks, which are not available while buying a resale or pre-owned property. The next factor that no one tells you about is home insurance. It has a lot of benefits. For example, if unfortunately in a house accident the house burns down, the home insurance will cover it with other damages. This is the same for a new flat as well as a resale one. To get a home insurance may be a very big challenge for you as a buyer if you are buying a resale property, as most of the times insurance companies do not cover for very old properties. Next point is, when buying a resale house, the seller may ask for a cash payment to avoid paying a large capital gains tax, which may be difficult to provide if you are already taking out a home loan. Additionally, some older resale properties may opt for redevelopment. So it is very important to inquire about this and to ensure that the property meets your requirements. The next thing you should consider is that resale properties may not appreciate in value as much as new properties. This is because they may not have the same level of demand or appeal as new properties and may also have a shorter lifespan due to wear and tear. This means that if you are buying a resale property as an investment, then you need to do some research around what kind of ROI you can expect from this property. Resale property does offer some benefits. You get to buy a property which is ready and at your preferred location. For instance, prime location like Kormangla or Indranagar in Bangalore won't have any new land for construction purpose. So the only option left here would be a resale property. The next advantage is that there is way more room for negotiation than you think compared to a new property. For instance, let's take an example. You can negotiate a resale property price with the seller on the basis of the age or the condition of the property. A resale property has the advantage of being ready to move in, allowing you to shift in immediately. You can also avail a home loan and enjoy tax benefits. This eliminates the need to pay both EMI and rent. In contrast, newly ready flats may take time to move in depending on the possession. While these benefits are great, if you neglect the things like cost of repairs, appreciation, insurance, or any of the points I spoke about earlier in the video, you may end up making a bad deal which you will regret later. Well, that is all for now. If you found this video informational, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.